I've got it on. Run to me. Get another one and bring it. Bring it. Run. Run, Ricky, run. Whoa. Come on, Evan.
I'm getting sunscreen on.
Come on, Evan. Walk to Grammy. Walk to Grammy. God. Whoa.
Where'd you put the other two?
Where are you going, Evan?
On the table.
Evan.
Getting sunscreen on Eves.
Evan. Evan's getting sunscreen. He doesn't like it. He's going,
Sunscreen on them.
Ricky, go over there and call Evan so he'll walk to you.
I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, that's good.
Evan!
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 There he goes. He's walking on the grass. He says, what is this stuff? What is... What are you doing, Evan? Where's his hat? Evan, come here. Evan's gonna run after them. That's funny. Bring them back, Ricky. Bring them back to Grammy. Come on back, Evan. He wants to be with Ricky. That's so funny. Whoa! Come on, bring him back. Lift him up. That's it. Now bring him back here with Grammy. Come on. Come on. Come on, you two. Well, come on. Evan. Evan, come on. Here they come. Here they come. He's got to put his hat on.